hold on. Okay, here we go. This is Pablo's muscular muscles. Show them off, Pablo. Ooh. Wait, we need lighting. We need lighting. Here we go. Ooh, Pablo. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Katie, what's the verdict? How many?
12.
12? Okay. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. I'll give you 15. I'll give you 15. Pablo says he could do 30.
No, I don't know.
No. He told us he could do 30. I was like 2 weeks ago. He said he could do 30. So let's see how we. Yep, like that.
Whatever's more comfortable.
That way or forward? Which one? There he goes. You gotta hang first.
Watch or what? Ladies. Yeah, call the ladies.
Yes.
You ready? Pablo needs some moral support here.
Go Pablo. It's you.
He's just 15.
I say he could do 15 max. Let's see. Are you ready, Pablo?
Yeah.
And work it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, he's looking clean. 7. No cheating. He'll go down, buddy. 10, 11, 12. He's slowing down. 13.
Shut up.
14. There you go. Do last one. Last one. Let me see the legs. One more time. Let me see the legs. This is 60. You never made it. 16. 17. At least he did over what I said. Whatever. Excuses.